Are you into that? To the super disco? Boom! Hope you're doing fine. I hope you're discoing. I hope you understand life. I hope you understand risk. I hope you're not arrogant. I hope you're not complacent. I hope you're humble. Oh. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you are discoing. This is a gold and the market brief. I'm gonna be. That's why I said humble. I think long-term investors or buy and hold, they lack that. They know the future, whereas us traders, we are humble and we sell with losses and we don't know the future. I hope you're doing fine. This is the VIX in a daily time frame, and for the two people that watched me, I would say 7 max yesterday, and I'm really getting burned out. If I will get that few audience, I might stop altogether. I really don't need this. I have a life, so I'm gonna give it today. If it doesn't go up, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go back to 1 month, 3 months, 4 months time. I swear to God, I'm really getting burned out. I feel really bad when I don't get enough more viewers. Okay, enough about me. It's really heartbreaking, but I'm gonna do it today and see what happens next. Okay, this is the bullish disco signal in the daily time frame in the VIX, and as I said yesterday, for the two people that listened to me, I take it really, really serious, and it was the KISS formation, and this what happened. Okay, and if you understand risk, you would not own anything, and I did not own anything for some times now, because I respect these sell signals. Okay, this is the weekly time frame for the VIX itself, MACD only, and 100% of the time, although the week is not over, 100% of the time, every time you have this severe down leg takes place in the market. It took place last Feb. It took place last September 2022. April, before the major meltdown started with the bear market. It took place even just before the Ukrainian war took place last November. No, sorry, November 2021. Just before the endemic, and one before that, July 2021. It was, the market went through tough times, and so on and so forth. And you can see 100% of the time something bad happens whenever, at least for the last 6 years, whenever this thing takes place. So I didn't have to comment. You could do your own research, and that it's really reliable. It really is. It truly, truly is. All right. So UUP, it's definitely a clean breakout so far, and you're still having buyers coming in. And by tomorrow, you're gonna have an RSI over 70, which is really, really reliable, which means the top is not in. Even if we retrace, you're gonna have another go on the top if we had a severe sell-off in the UUP. Okay, good deal. This is the USD JPY, and I think this one is not updated yet, but still, it's definitely in a breakout mode. It's definitely high, and if I'm not mistaken, you would at least have 127 Fibonacci extension of this breakout. This, I think, will take it to 143, so I have to check it out later. So that means it's really not wise to own gold at this time before it hits this target. Okay, good deal. This is the 10-year yield, and I talked about that last time. Every time you have a breakout like this way, every time for the last 10 years, a corrective phase takes place in the market. So even if it doesn't happen this time, even though it happened already, but even before the start, I always tell myself, at least I'm playing by the book. I'm playing by the book. That's all I care about. I learned something. I learned sell signal, buy signals. I just play by the book. Good deal. So this is the 10-year yield only. All right. The S&P 500, the SPIX, and if you see here, you have a full-on bearish disco signal. Everything is intact here. You have a breakdown in the bearish wedge. Not good. Usually the target is at least the low of 30th of March. And usually it's really, really bad whenever you have a bull trap. You trap a lot of bulls, then oof, you go down. This never been good. And it came with a lot of hypes in Twitter, in the financial TVs and all this stuff. They were just doing the victory dance, and it was too mature. Premature, as they say. Premature victory dance right here, okay? Not good at all. Not good at all, GLD. And as said, for the two people that watched my video yesterday, I was betting that the people that bought gold yesterday, either government employees, central bankers, definitely not a wise pros, not people that have P&L statement, just reckless people, or maybe immature portfolio managers. As I said yesterday, you will be really, really surprised of how many of so-called professional institutional investors, how many immature ones, how many, you will be surprised of how many of them get their jobs because somebody loves them. You'll be surprised. You will be absolutely surprised. So yeah, still not very intelligent buyers yesterday. And for now, you have a stochastic below 20. No one knows the future, but we just play by the rules. Okay, SLV, same thing. You gap and go, and you almost close at the low. And as I said yesterday and the day before, I'm not gonna, if I don't get enough audience, I'm not gonna do it tomorrow. Okay, whenever you have a stochastic below 20, you sell the rallies, and that's what they did. GDX, and as I said yesterday, the buyers bought at the buyer zone, but they made a new low, and I thought, and I was right, that the 162 Fibonacci extension of ABC, it will have buyers, and buyers, they had about 1% bounced, then it went back down. Usually a pattern like this will always have at least you go to the measured moves. The measured moves about 29.80, and if I'm not mistaken, I really don't know the future, but you will have buyers at the 29.80 ABC full measure move, because this is a double top. You would at least have some buyers here, and you might have a couple of days, maybe not, maybe just a couple of hours, but a lot of market makers will provide liquidity at this. They provided liquidity today at the 162 Fibonacci extension, and bounced, then it went back down. Maybe something like this happened. Maybe it's a tradable bottom. I really don't know the future, but it looks really good to me. Maybe it goes down to this support, where the volume buy price is the biggest for the last at least 3 years. Okay, maybe it goes to this trend line. Maybe it bounces from here. I really don't know. Truly don't know. But yes, a double top measured move would be here. Please like if you like. Please share. Please subscribe. Please like if you really want me to continue. Please like. I'm getting burned out. Please like. Please like. Please share. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please don't take me for granted. And please do remember, this goes forever.